Make money online by following these tips. The internet is a vast and wonderful technological landscape. It serves a number of purposes, from illegal and indecent activities to kicking back and watching cat videos. Serious netizens use the internet to make money. If you hope to join their ranks and make some income of your own online, keep watching. Be cautious of scams. While there are a plethora of opportunities for you to make money, some are less than savory. Do some research online to see what others have to say about any company or website that you are interested in working for. Think about what you are good at when thinking about making money online. Are you a writer? Market yourself personally as a content provider. Do you have a talent for graphic design? Many people out there are looking for help with their websites and/or documents. If you want to succeed, know thyself. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Writers may find that EFO or Squidoo's revenue sharing system is a good fit for them. You can write about whatever you want on these sites and get a portion of the revenue your content generates. They also provide the chance to become an Amazon affiliate, which could bring in more money for you. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. Tutoring others is a growing business. Thus, teaching online is a good way to make money at home. Tutor Vista is a great site to use if you want to do this. If you are good at what you do, you may find that other opportunities present themselves. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. Serious netizens do not sit back and fire off tweets or watch cat videos, at least not too much anyway. They know that the internet offers many ways to make money online and they take advantage of these opportunities. Now that you have watched this video, you can join the ranks of those making money online. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.